In this video, we listed the 5 best camera drone on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Edward Kai 2 Pro. The specifications outline a high-performance camera drone from the brand GUIG, designed for enthusiasts aged 14 and older. With a max takeoff weight under 1 kg and a compact design of 240 grams, it can withstand wind speeds of less than 10 km per hour. The drone incorporates a range of advanced features, including 4K and 8K HD video recording capabilities, a 3-axis gimbal for stabilization, and an impressive optical zoom of 50x. It operates on a dual frequency of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, offering a transmission range of up to 1200 meters and a maximum flight time of 25 minutes, powered by a 2200 mAh battery weighing 72 grams. The built-in display measures 5.5 inches, supporting multiple languages and providing a 150-degree field of view. Although it lacks a loudspeaker and aerosol spraying system, it supports FPV operation and is equipped with an optical image stabilizer and electronic image stabilization for enhanced video quality. The drone is certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS, making it a reliable choice for aerial photography and recreational flying. Number 2. S2S 8K Drone. The GIG S2S is a professional-grade camera drone designed for high-definition aerial photography, featuring an 8K resolution camera equipped on a 3-axis gimbal for optimal stability and image quality. With a lightweight design of just 310 grams and a maximum takeoff weight under 1 kilogram, it is built for impressive maneuverability and ease of use, making it accessible for users aged 7 and above. The drone boasts a maximum flight time of approximately 25 minutes, supported by a removable 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery and an operating frequency of 2.4 GHz. It features advanced capabilities such as omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, customizable flight paths, and gesture recognition for shooting, all contributing to an intuitive flying experience. The drone has an impressive transmission range of up to 8 km, with a remote control distance reaching 5 km, backed by 5G high-frequency image transmission for seamless video streaming. Additionally, the included features like a strobe light, spotlight, and loudspeaker enhance its functionality for various applications. The S2S is certified by CE, FCC, UL, and KC, ensuring compliance with safety standards, making it a reliable choice for both recreational and professional drone enthusiasts. Number 3. Lenovo 811 Mini Drone. The Lenovo 811 Mini Drone is a highly capable aerial photography device designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, featuring impressive video recording capabilities in both 1080p HD and optional 4K resolutions. Constructed from durable ABS plastic and electronic components, this compact quadcopter measures just 11 by 13 by 4 cm when unfolded and weighs only 280 g, making it highly portable. It boasts a stable flight performance enabled by a 6-axis gyroscope and can withstand wind speeds of 10 to 20 km per hour, offering approximately 15 minutes of flight time on a single charge with its 3.7V 650 mAh LiPo battery. With dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connectivity, users can enjoy a seamless first-person view (FPV) experience, with adjustable camera quality from 30W for 80p to 4K. Designed for easy maneuverability through its 4-channel control system, the Lenovo 811 Mini Drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots, making it an excellent choice for both casual users and serious photographers, particularly those aged 14 and above. Number 4. V198 GPS Professional Drone. The compact camera drone known as the No-name_null, designed primarily for aerial photography. Weighing only 150 grams and capable of a maximum takeoff weight under 1 kilogram, this drone is equipped with a 3.0-inch sensor that supports 1080p HD video recording at a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and features GPS for enhanced navigation and positional accuracy. The drone boasts an impressive flight time of 28 minutes and is controlled via a dedicated application. However, it is limited in wind resistance, with a maximum capability of less than 10 km per hour, and does not feature an aerosol spraying system. Designed for easy use, it presents a practical option for users interested in capturing high-quality aerial footage without complex operational requirements. Number 5. Lenovo G6 Pro. The Lenovo G6 Pro UAV is a cutting-edge camera drone designed for aerial photography and videography, offering impressive specifications and advanced features. With a maximum takeoff weight of 1 to 2 kilograms and a compact, foldable design, it is portable and easy to manage. This drone boasts an 8K HD dual camera capable of recording in multiple resolutions, including 4K and 6K, and incorporates a wide 120 degrees field of view. Equipped with intelligent obstacle avoidance technology and a complete omnidirectional sensing system, the G6 Pro ensures safe flight and easy navigation. The drone features a flight time of up to 20 minutes and a remote control distance of 5,000 meters, supported by 5G Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time video streaming. Additional functionalities include various flight modes, altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing, all controlled via an intuitive app available in English and simplified Chinese. This drone combines high-quality imaging capabilities with user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts looking to capture stunning aerial imagery.